Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make frozen gummy bears with juice. First, gather your simple supplies. You'll need a bag of your favorite gummy bears and a juice you love, like apple or cranberry. Also, grab an ice cube tray or some fun silicone molds. A small measuring cup or bowl will make pouring easier. This easy method is perfect for a quick, refreshing treat. Next, carefully place your gummy bears into the ice cube tray or silicone molds. Aim for about 3 to 5 gummy bears per cavity, depending on their size and your mold's capacity. Try to distribute them evenly so each frozen treat has a good mix of gummies. Don't pack them too tightly, as you'll need space for the juice. Now it's time to add the juice. Slowly pour your chosen juice over the gummy bears in each mold cavity. Fill each section almost to the top, leaving a tiny bit of room for expansion. Once all cavities are filled, carefully transfer the tray to your freezer. Let them freeze for at least 2 to 3 hours, or until they are completely solid. Finally, your delicious frozen gummy bear treats are ready. Gently pop them out of their molds. If they're a bit stubborn, a quick run under warm water on the bottom of the tray can help. Serve these refreshing, chewy, and icy delights immediately. Any extra treats can be stored in an airtight container in the freezer for later enjoyment. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.